Welcome to Digital Electronics lecture series. I, Professor Hitesh Dholakia, is going to explain you Decoder Basics and 2x4 decoder in this session. So first I'll explain you what is decoder, how it functions, and what are the things which we need to focus in decoder. So when we talk about decoder circuit in digital electronics, then decoder is used to decode outputs from input, where you will be finding there are n inputs and outputs will be 2 to the power n, right? So decoder decodes n inputs to 2 to the power n outputs. So decoder decodes n inputs to 2 to the power n outputs. So let us try to understand this by circuit, how it decodes, so it will be more clear to all of you. So see, if I say I have one decoder circuit over, and in this decoder if I have n number, then you will be finding there are 2 to the power n number. And one more important terminal that we need to focus about, that is terminal E, and this terminal is, and in this circuit if this enable terminal that is equals to 0, in that case this decoder that will disabled, means this decoder will be off in that case, right? And you can work out with this decoder in case if this E is equals to 1. So if E is equals to 1, we can say decoder is. So when you want to work with input to output, first thing that we should have is this E is equals to 1. Once this decoder is enabled, we can decode input to output. Now to understand this, I'll explain you one example over here, that is of 2x4 decoder, where you will get to know like how we can decode output from input. And at last I'll make circuit of 2x4 decoder, and then we will see some applications of decoder. So let us try to understand how 2x4 decoder functions. So when we talk about 2x4, as earlier we have seen, decoder is having n input to 2 to the power n outputs. So here if 2 inputs are there, then outputs will be 2 to the power 2, means 4. So here with this decoder circuit we have 2 inputs. Let us say these inputs are A and B. Then we have 4 outputs, and those outputs are, let us say, Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. This is what our 2x4 decoder. Now in this decoder, here we have enable pin, and this enable pin will enable and disable this decoder. So if E is equals to 0, all outputs will be 0, but when E is equals to 1, with respect to input, output will get selected. For example, if A and B, that is 0, 0 with enable pin is equals to 1, then you will be finding this Y0 terminal will get selected and it will be 1, and other terminals will be 0. If AB, that is 0, 1, in that case Y1 will get selected and that will be 1. In case of AB is 1, 0, in that case Y2 will get selected, it will be 1, and other terminals will be 0. In case if AB, that is 1, 1, in that case Y3 terminal will get selected and other terminals will be 0 and Y3 equals to 1. See, this is how this decoder functions. So let us try to understand this by having a truth table, and then we can make circuit out of it. So here in truth table, there are 3 inputs that we can say. This is enable input, and for selection we have A and B. So see, this inputs that is there for selection, right? And here at output side we have Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. Now here we are a little bit to understand how selection happens and how this circuit functions. So to understand it, let us consider first situation. And in first situation, if I say enable is equals to 0 0, then no matter what is our input for selection, output will stay 0. So see, as I have told, here decoder is disabled in case of E is equals to 0. But when E is equals to 1, there are total 4 combinations which is possible for A and B. A and B can be 0 0, A and B can be 0 1, A and B can be 1 0, and A and B can be 1 1. Now see, if A and B, that is 0 0, at that time Y0 will get selected. So Y0 will stay 1 and other terminals will be 0. So that explains we have selected terminal Y0. When A and B, that is 0 1, at that time Y1 terminal will get selected. So that will stay 1 and other terminal will stay 0. In case of A and B is 1 0 with enable is 1, Y2 will get selected, so Y2 will be 1 and other terminal will stay 0. And for A and B, if it is 1 1, in that case Y3 will get selected, it will be 1 and other terminal will stay 0. So this is how decoder functions, right? Now, if you want to make a circuit of input to output, then here, see, first I'll ignore this enabled line. I'll just see what is that which is happening with selection line. So here, let us try to draw a circuit with respect to selection line. So here we have selection line A and here we have selection line B, an active high line that I am selecting like this, right? And by this green color, I am connecting one inverter. So A bar and B bar by inverter, I am drawing this line. So if you draw it in this way, you will be finding circuit drawing is easier. Now here, see, to have a selection of Y0, we need to have A and B is equals to 0 0. Means A bar and B bar, that we need to have. So if you want to have Y0, in that case A bar means this and B bar means this, that we need to select. So this is what A bar, B bar, right? Now if I wanted to have Y1, then to have this one, you see, A is 0 and B is 1, means A is A bar and B is B. So here at output side, to have Y1, A bar and B, that I need to select. Now to have Y2, this is the one, and for that you see selection is A is 1 and B is 0. So here I need to connect A and B0 means B bar. And to have a selection of Y3 by AND gate, all we need to do is A and B both are 1. So this is A and this is B. See, this is how I can select Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. And here, very important terminal that we should not forget, that is enabled terminal, and it should be high to have this selection. So here I need to connect enable with all gates. So as per this, I can say Y0 is A bar, B bar, E. As per this, Y1 will be A bar, B, E. You see it over here. As per that, Y2 will be A, B bar, E, and as per that Y3 will be A, B dot E. See, this is how combinational circuit is there with this decoder, right? So here decoder is used to decode output, and based on selection line we select output line, and here we need to see this enable terminal that should be active high to enable this decoder, right? Now there should be question like where should we use this type of circuit. So see, this type of circuit of decoder, that we use it for chip selection. So you'll be finding on microprocessor PCB, right, there may be many ICs. So to select particular functioning of IC, there should be decoding of that IC, and for that there is selection line. So that selection line is getting selected by using decoder. So for selecting some ICs, usually in integrated circuit as well as in embedded system, we use decoder. So one should know how this is functioning. Now in next video, I'll explain 3x8 decoder. So once you see that video, definitely you will be able to understand any decoder circuit, right? So stay tuned with this channel, watch 3x8 decoder in next video, and please do give your valuable suggestions over here. The reason is based on your suggestions. In future, I'll make videos which will resolve your queries. So please give your valuable suggestions over here. Thank you so much for watching this.